You want to keep it small and minimal because most of the focus is on her eyes. However, the mouth can get pretty big depending on how much you want to emphasize emotions and expressions. I'll be talking about how to draw face expressions in another video, so for now, let's focus on the neutral mouth. Alright, so let's talk a moment about how to understand how mouths work in a more realistic fashion. This will be brief, I promise. The front view of the upper lips have 3 parts, and the lower lips is 2 bigger parts compared to the upper part. Start by drawing crosshairs. Next, draw a heart or a chevron shape at the top part and center of the crosshairs. Connect the top part of the heart to the middle line with the downward curve strokes. Use big ovals to represent the lower lip. Draw a thick line in the center, following the contour of the ovals, creating a gap. The bottom is a curve downwards but dips slightly where the 2 ovals meet. Flesh out the top of the mouth, and you can also add a couple divots to either side to make it feel a little more realistic. When drawing a 3D mouth, you used a cylinder or a curved crosshair as a guide. When drawing anime mouths, you want to use simplistic shapes and not show the whole mouth. Most of the time, the mouth is just represented by a few lines. You can draw one line down the middle and a line on the bottom of the lip. For me personally, I tend to break the middle line up into 2 lines because I think it looks more natural. When you open the mouth, use a simple triangular or circular shape. 3/4 view, the side closest to you is going to be longer. And that's pretty much it for drawing the basic mouth. Now go forth, my background champions, and impress everyone drawing your anime girl faces. If this video helped you, I'd appreciate it if you could give me a like on the video, subscribe for free, and hit that notification channel so you can get more videos like this.